Hi guys, first you have to find the duplicate values and then you have to delete them. Now find the duplicate values. I have data. I select these values, home, condition formatting, highlight cell rows, duplicate values. Okay. Now I have duplicate values. You can delete these values manually or also use delete function. Select the row or column that you want to remove duplicate values. You can only delete duplicate from one row or one column. Go to Data tab, remove duplicates. Select the Continue with Current selection and click on Remove Duplicate. Click OK. Two duplicate values found and removed. Now it has removed the duplicate values. Thank you for watching.